Welcome to another Granada Houses video. Today we're near the Andalusian town of Alhama to look at this renovation project. It's a south-facing property. You would need to install either solar panels or electricity. There's no water supply at the moment either, so you would have to dig a well. The majority of the track is in good condition and easily accessed by an ordinary car, but the last 100 metres or so, I think you would really need a 4x4 or to concrete the track itself. There's a possibility here to make the house higher. Of course, you would have to get a project and get an architect involved to find out exactly what you could do with this house. But it has a lot of potential. It's around 150, 160 square metres, and the land it sits on is about 20,000 square metres, planted to olive. So through the front door, you can see the old fireplace, wood beam ceilings that still have remnants of the original lath inside. Stair cupboard. For sure, this is a proper project. It's a true renovation, restoration project. This part here, you could take down this wall and join it to the stable that's next door to make a larger space down on this ground floor. And then as we go up the stairs, there's a decent sized room to the left. You see the roof needs to be redone. And then to the other side, a smaller room. And you can see here where the roof has partially collapsed. But on this side, it would make sense to have a window here so that you can see the view behind the house, as well as having the views in front of the house. This is a very thin wall, so if you wanted to, as you're doing the roof, you could just make one huge room up here, and then on the other side of this wall here, build out over what is the existing stable yard. So let's head back down the stairs and I'll show you those bits. The owner informs us that this is a legal house. It is listed on the Escritura as a vivienda, and he pays local contributions. But at the moment we don't have that figure for how much. What here is the old stable, and this you could very easily unite with the other part of the house, and then you've got another really good sized room. Taking off the roof and going up, you would have a second story as well. Now there is some asbestos that you would need to get rid of. The further panels are metal, but the ones directly above here are asbestos. And then you have a garage. This can easily be attached to living accommodation for the house because it is on the outer edge, as you can see here, of the building itself. It's very pretty land. Goes up the hill, all planted to olive, and all of the trees are good production of olive. They're all mature trees. Out the front here, there is an area of flat land so that you can make a nice terrace It could be extended a little down this way. There's another area of flat land. And then behind the house there are a couple of areas of flat land in amongst the olive trees. So that's our renovation project for today. We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have any comments, please leave them below. If you would like to arrange a viewing, please request that in the comment section below as well. If you subscribe to our channel and press the notification button, you can be kept up to date with all of our latest videos. Thank you for watching.